Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time. It's your girl Ijoma Florence. You're highly welcome to my channel. So if this is your first time coming across my video, girl, you're highly welcome, okay? All you need to do is to support your girl's ministry by hitting the subscribe button, like the video and share. Become part of the family, okay? For all my returning viewers and my subscribers, I heart you guys so much. You guys are the real MVP. So as you can see from the screen now, I made a gorgeous, elegant braided wig. Okay, I made this wig from scratch. From scratch. So if you are still finding it difficult to ventilate, watch the video before this one. I made a video of how I was able to achieve all these boxes. Okay, so guys, if this video sound interesting to you, if you really want to see how I was able to achieve this beautiful, elegant braided wig, continue watching the video. So guys, this is exactly how my boxes looks before I started braiding. Okay, so do wait to watch that video on my channel. So guys, as you can see, I've started the wig already. I've already covered the back side, then the left hand side at the very front. Just look at how neat and even the wig looks. Okay, that's a sense of spacing out while ventilating. So this time around, we are going to work at the right hand side. So let me quickly show you the materials I used. One of them was my attachment, color one, my shine and jam gel, my brush, my comb. Okay, so before you start braiding, or before I started braiding, because I don't have anyone assisting me, so I have to brought out all the extensions that I'm gonna use for each box, as you can see from the crib. So the next thing I did was to slick the hair down using my shine and jam gel, and make sure I slicked it down very well. Then I combed it using my small comb before I started braiding. So let me comb it. I combed it and slicked it down very well. So here is the first extension I'm gonna add, but before then we are going to braid it down a little bit. Let's braid 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's add extension. You drop that side. Yes guys, before I forget, let me tell you guys, I did not use regular Ghana weaving pattern. What I used was feeding stitch. So I'll braid one, drop one side, then braid one time again. I'll add that strand that I left. Watch the video. I don't know how well to explain it, but it's self-explanatory. I dropped that one now. I braid one. Now I added it. Okay. Then I braid 1, 2. I bring my hand down. Before now, I started adding extensions to my desired length. So if you're braiding yours, you do according to what you desired. I kept adding extensions. I really want the wig to get length, as in I want it to be long. So I kept on adding extensions. Okay, I braided it to a certain point, then I dropped it and move over to the second box. So let's move to the second box. I slicked it down very well using that shine and jam gel. Guys, I will always recommend this gel for you, although it's quite expensive to compare other gels, but it's good, it's worth it. It doesn't left or give all these white residues at the end. Instead, it will make your wig shiny and soft. Okay, so I braid like 3 to 4 times again. Then I started adding my extensions. I'll braid one, keep that one aside. Braid again, I added it. I picked the second one. I braid. I braided one. I kept that one aside. I added it. I picked the third one. I kept one side aside, sorry. I braided again, I added it. So I'll braid 1, 2, then I'll bring my hands down, as you can see. That was exactly how I was able to achieve this gorgeous wig, okay? So continue watching the video. It is self-explanatory, guys. Keep on watching the video, okay? And make sure you watch to the end, because at the end of it, you're gonna benefit yourself a lot. In fact, after watching this video, you'll be able to to make your own wig yourself and save that coin. Okay, so enjoy watching the video. Yeah, guys, I continue braiding the wigs down to the tip. Like I've said before, I'm going for a very long length, okay? So I continue braiding it individually down to the tips. So look at the wig. I'm not yet done, but it's popping out, looking so classy and neat, okay? And here is the wig after I braided all of them down to the tips. Look at how neat and beautiful it looks, okay? So after now, the next thing I did was to trim the excess fry away with using my scissors, and after trimming I dip it inside hot water off camera, and let's see the results. Look at it. This is when the wig dried, so look at how it looks. It looks so beautiful. Look at the length. This wig is for tall people, not for people like me. Look at it. Look at the patterns and everything. They look so classy. And voila, here is the final result. The wig is giving. Is giving. The wig is bomb. So guys, if you have learned one thing or the other from this video, all you need to do is to hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment on the comment section, and do well to share the video. Are you going to try it out? Are you going to make this kind of wig? Let me hear from you guys. Write your thoughts on the comment section. And before I forget, guys, this wig is available for immediate picking up. So if you're interested in buying, if you're interested in patronizing your girl, write it on the comment section, okay? So that we can do business together. So that we can do business together. Thank you for watching.